going to cover the required elements for Task 2, SUAS Maintenance, Troubleshooting, and Repair. This falls under Standard 6. Standard 6 is worth 250 possible total points. Each section has their own points of 0 to 40, 0 to 30, 0 to 18, and so on. A score of 0 to 49 is no recognizable skill. 50 to 124 is emerging. 125 to 199 is proficient. 200 to 250 is considered expert. Each of these sections covers various topics from key airframe, hardware processing and sensing components, to wiring, correct polarity, location, and configuration. There's a brief instruction and scoring explanation before each section. So students will be allowed a certain amount of time to complete Standard 6.1. There will be no cell phones or external internet access allowed during testing. Students will complete all testing on an individual basis. Standard 6.1 will auto-grade the students based on selecting the correct choices out of multiple choices. Scoring will be out of 40 possible points. The quiz will tell them they are going to match the component to the correct definition. It will show them a picture of the component, and they will be required to select the definition that best describes the component that they see. They will select their answer, click Next, and move through the quiz. 6.1 and 6.2 are both similarly set up as they select the definition that best matches the image shown. 6.3 through 6.7 will require the student to view a series of images of the multirotor. For the following examples, the students will need to select the answer that best describes what is wrong, incorrect, broken, damaged, or missing in the images of the SUS. There will be an isometric view, a front view, a back view, a left view, a right view, a top view, and a bottom view of each frame. As the students look at the images, they will want to note for things such as missing landing gear, hardware on the motors, propeller orientation direction, wiring damage, wiring missing, wiring in the incorrect ports, incorrect polarity. They will view the images and then select the answer that best describes what is wrong in the images, and then select Next to move on to the next section. Section 6.8 through 6.12 will be multiple choice based off of a story problem. The students will view the story problem, read through the brief summary, then select the best answer. Say you are at a job site ready for takeoff. You arm the SUAS and take off. The aircraft begins to drift to the left without any transmitter input. What would be the most likely cause of the problem? They'll select the answer that fits best to that description, move on to the next question, and then submit their quiz.